Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Joham review. So today I'm going to react to another Hololive clips from Wombo Clips. The title is Hololive's first Sneeze Award goes wild. So this is this is I didn't know there's a Sneeze Award, but okay. Organized by Mio. I guess this is just one of her thing, streaming thing content. Just to award something silly, you know. Sneeze, my goodness. Anyway, I guess without any further ado, let's watch the video. Oh, also, I don't know if she actually judging the contestant or is she using like chat or something, like full voting, stuff like that, or she had more guests to become a judge or so. I don't know. Let's just play the video. First time doing okay.
オブザイヤー2025スタートとなります。8部門を用意させていただきまして、
categories.
まずは
Oh my
可愛
goodness.
主義くしゃみ賞ということで、
Cute Sneeze Award. That was a squeak. Okay.
くしゃみでバレた。Let's get rid of the junk, もこちゃん。人種のくしゃみの。
Okay, so some of this sneeze actually like holding back a little bit, like because when it's coming out, you sometimes hold it in and then mine is like super loud. So it's kind of thing. My goodness, all of their sneezes are cute, I guess. Okay. Oh. I feel like we see a lot of Fubuki sneeze.
はい、というわけで、以上、可愛主義くしゃみ11作品のノミネートでした。可愛主義くしゃみ賞、今年の2025の受賞者は、ベイちゃんに決まりました。
Wait, how? Okay, I don't know. To be honest, I'm not gonna question how the judging works, but yeah. Happening sneeze. Like instantly? Something just happened. Okay.
ハッピーソングちゃん、お誕生日おめでとう。
I see happening. So it's like when they're like monologuing and then suddenly the sneeze came out of nowhere. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
今はですね、僕研究してるんですが、Bless you.
Oh, it's me. Oh. Okay, she's yeah.
ごめんなさい。
Bless you. Thank you.
It's you.
じゃりやっぱ。
エクスビディア。
なんでそれ。
失礼しました。
エクスビディア？エクチューネや。失礼しました。
I feel like some of this sneeze like part of some kind of word or something, like
マジで。
sneeze or something like that, like
はい、というわけで
there's like a word coming out at the same time.
ロボコさん。
Oh, Roboko.
くしゃみでなん
The
か言ってるで
confetti.
しょ。
Okay.
何をする。
Okay, Tawa. Wait.
くしゃみでしょ。
I didn't see it. What was the next one?
くしゃみでなんか言って
Sneezing
る
while
でしょ。
saying something. Oh, wait.
くしゃみをする。
I thought it's like the same as earlier, the happening
く
as
しゃみで
well.
しょ。うい、ちょい。やばい、くしゃみがうい、ちょ
Mhm.
い。
くしゃみでしょ。
ディクショナリー。
Mhm.
くしゃみでしょ。
8 out of 10. Okay.
なんか言ってる。く しゃみ賞
Oh, that was like 3? Wait, 3 or 2?
知らないフレアはい、ということで、おめでとうございます。こちら、良いく
Just
しゃみ
4.
賞
Oh my god. 19? Okay, let's see.
でも出ないかも。出ました。
で、失礼しました。
あ、鼻。
Mm-hmm. Taskaru, everyone.
くしゃみが。
I forgot that was the word for Japanese bless you or something. Taskaru.
Oh, I have a sniff.
かわいい。
Oh, Kali was here as
く
well.
しゃみ出る。
Sorry。ぶっ放してますね。よいしょ。
Oh, where's the person?
ゼータです、ゼータ。
Oh, Zeta. Okay, okay.
That's so cute.
Oh my god. Oh my
失礼しました。
goodness.
うわ。
塩ビ力くしゃみそう。
Mm-hmm.
すみません。失礼し
That
ま
was
した。
Okay, who's the winner?
良いくしゃみ賞
Good sneeze. I didn't know there's a good sneeze. My goodness.
ししろボタン
Oh,
です。おめでとうございます。
I mean, there's like 19 of them though. I guess that makes sense. It's
良い
hard to
くしゃみ
see.
賞
Okay,
こち
8.
らを見ていきたいと思います。
I'm guessing 8 contest not or
やっぱ
something.
りバグ総理失礼いたしま
Or
した。
8 video, I don't know. Okay, Mokoko.
くちゃいねよ。失礼しました。
おかしいだろそれは。失礼しました。かわいい。
I think that was a cute one. Yeah, that makes
それ
sense.
本当にくしゃみなの？
This is like spitting something or.
あと、
うぶさいや。
これわざとだろ。
Okay, who's the
く
winner?
しゃみ賞受賞
Weird
者は
sneeze award.
狼みおです。
Oh, okay, her. Ah, I see, I
あり
see.
がとうございます。
I guessing that
お次の
it's
賞はこちら。
all voting from chat, I guess. That makes sense. That
16
makes
作
sense.
品のノミネートとなっており
Okay,
ます。
what's the word?
お次の賞はこちら。連発くしゃみ賞
Consecutive sneeze award.
16作品の
Okay.
ノミネートとなっております。
Mm. 2, 3.
あくしゃみです。わー
That was 3.
すいません。
That was like 4. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, 4 as well? Oh my god. Oh,
何連発した？
5.
これね、ちょっと
My
間がある。
god, that's a
すっ
rapid
ごいエ
one.
モい BGM の中、
待ってまた出る。
Another one? Is she gonna do it? Okay, that took a while. Mm-hmm.
あーちゃんも
My
珍しい
goodness. You got,
みたいですね。
I gotta sneeze as well because of them. Mm?
やばい。は。
She has a wide smile though. Ayun.
ちょい
Okay.
ちょい
Uh,
ちょいくしゃみが止まんないや
uh,
おい
why do you sneeze like that? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, how many categories again? I forgot. I forgot you mentioned that.
勢いやばすぎだろ。
How about
Too much momentum. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. She sneezed and also coughing.
B10 にします。
Oh, it's Bibo. Okay.
おめでとう。お次のくし
Hit
ゃ
it
み
with the
は
confetti.
SSR くしゃみ賞
SSR.
5
Oh
作品の
my
ノミネートです。
super ultra duper.
かなとは思うし
遊びに。いや、セコマリは遊びに。
なあブレスユーくしゃみ
というわけで
That was
以上
like
5作品のノミネートでし
SSR.
た。
My goodness.
SSR くしゃみ賞宇佐田ペコラ
Oh,
です。
it's Pekora.
おめでとう。
Okay.
豪快くしゃみ賞
Well, strong.
12作品がノミネートされております。
Well, I guess this is the strong one.
拍手
じゃあ、
I'm guessing the reason why some of them actually like like there's like a word or scream going on, like they immediately stopping their sneeze with just to you know not because not be embarrassed by it, something like that, like and then just talk. I'm guessing that's probably it. I don't know because you don't want to prolong your sneeze just to let everybody know you're sneezing or something.
していきました
Okay. Okay, that was strong
は
one.
い、というわ
How
けでね、
many? Oh, we're almost done.
豪快くしゃみ賞はリオ
Oh, it's Fiona. Oh, okay. I thought there's gonna be an ad something or. Anyway, whew, man, that almost make me sneeze as well because there's so many blessing coming from all of their sneeze. That's good. Oh, times 100. Anyway, that was this amazing uh clip. I guess. Hopefully she do this again next year. Sneeze award. I mean, anything can be an award now. If you guys know about Guinness World Record, they doing anything at all. You know, anything can be a Guinness Book World Record. Something like that. So anything can be awarded as well. So maybe next year is not gonna be sneeze. Maybe something else. She might do that. Who knows? Probably my theory, my prediction. Anyway, this is a fun video. We got to see so many type of sneezes. I forgot how many categories you mentioned, but they just say it's too many of them. They're all the same. Yeah. So yeah. If you guys have any recommendation, comments down below. If you haven't seen this video, check out Wombo clips. Wombo or Wombo. I don't know how you pronounce it. You get up to you. So Let me know what you thought about the video. If you also like my video, like and subscribe. So yeah, bye bye.